doesn't really matter which kit you put in first, as long as they match. And you got matching ones, and it would actually say the speed here, and if it's compatible. Like jump rope, it wouldn't jump rope a little bit different and make the motherboard fall over trying to jump, like its feet to the jump rope speed. Or better yet, gears. Gears have different teeth and space, and they wouldn't fit. These are all the same speed. DDR3 for this motherboard, 1600 or 1066, 12.8. Over here is how the memory comes on and off. See? You can close it when you put the memory in. You can snap it in, take it out. And on the other side, and this type of motherboard, just this type, doesn't have it. Sometimes they have it on both sides. And then there's pin. Alright, so we're going to put this in. We're putting the one side down first, and then squeezing down until this almost goes in. There we go. It's a good fit. Then we can do the next one, and the next black, it goes in pairs. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, or vice versa. So I'm going to go into the blue one and put the first blue kit. That's almost backwards. See, that's the wrong way. That's what that is. That won't fit. Flip it over. Put it in. There we go. One side and the other. And it fits. It clicks in. Remember, the same colors go together. So we'll go here and there. Press down and down. And there it is. One last one. See? Put it down here first, then here. Press down. Might be a little too far, so you lift it back up a little bit so there's a little angle that straightens out. Then the non-click